Hey filmmaker, Chung here with the recent talk about the Canon R5. Of course, a lot of people are now very interested in 8K, and of course in this video we're going to show you how to render 8K inside of Premiere Pro for YouTube. So this, we have already a clip uploaded that is 8K to show you that it is 8K. Here we can click settings here, and on quality we can see we have the choice of choosing above 4K is the 8K setting. So this one is a pretty quick processing that I found, because I tried searching the bit rates and everything on YouTube, but I couldn't find anything, so I had to literally export several versions out and uploaded several ones and see which one was the quickest in processing. So I found the one that is the best and also the quickest in processing, so making it quite easy or fast to publish a 8K video onto YouTube. So let's go to Premiere Pro. So one thing, do note, make sure you have a sequence that is 8K. So I have here a 8K custom preset done, and go to the settings here. Make sure that your frame size is 7680 by 4320. This is like your standard 16 by 9 8K, but if you are in like the 8K Cine, which is a different resolution, but like if you're just normal 16 by 9, this is the resolution you should go for 8K. So let's make this sequence. So make sure you're actually working on an 8K sequence and not working on like a 4K sequence and then think that you can render out 8K afterwards, because it doesn't upscale in Premiere Pro when you render. So you do need to work directly onto an 8K sequence before you are uploading or before you are rendering. So I have here, this is a 4K footage, so this we're just gonna make it big to fill here. So we're gonna scale it up 200%. So we have this, and now to render, so go to file here, export media, and here I've already have a preset made. So YouTube 8K 2020 by chungdha. So there'll be a link in the description below where you can actually download it. So mainly the bitrate setting is 120 megabytes per second, which is the main importance here, and I'm using VRB single pass. And then on the audio is pretty much the same as the other YouTube setting. We have like AC and 48,000 hertz, 5.1 channel, and then audio quality high with 512 bit rate. So yeah, that is the settings that you need to use for the 8K, and just export this out. So that was it, how to export 8K for YouTube. If you want to have the preset, there's a link in the description below. If you have any questions or any suggestions of videos you want to see, comment in the comment section here below. And if you are new to this channel and want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button here below. Thank you guys for watching. Be safe out there. Love you all, and CD out.